Building muscle is a journey that requires dedication, consistency, and a well-structured plan. For beginners looking to put on their first 10 pounds of muscle, understanding the principles of progressive overload, nutrition, and workout splits is crucial. By incorporating these elements into your routine, you can maximize muscle growth and achieve your fitness goals effectively. Progressive overload, the foundation of muscle growth. Progressive overload is the key principle behind muscle growth. It involves gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time, forcing them to adapt and grow stronger. There are several ways to implement progressive overload. As a beginner, focus on lifting heavier weights with proper form. Aim to increase the weight you lift by small increments each week. This can be done by adding more weight to the barbell, dumbbells, or resistance machines. Another way to progressively overload your muscles is by increasing the number of repetitions, reps, and sets performed during each exercise. Gradually increase the volume of your workouts to challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. Minimizing rest periods between sets can help increase the intensity of your workouts, promoting muscle growth. Incorporating a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups ensures balanced muscle development and prevents plateaus. Experiment with different exercises, variations, and equipment to keep your workouts challenging and effective. Nutrition plays a critical role in supporting muscle growth and recovery. To maximize muscle gains, focus on the following nutritional principles. Caloric surplus. Consuming more calories than your body burns is essential for building muscle. Aim for a modest caloric surplus of 250 to 500 calories per day to support muscle growth without excessive fat gain. Protein. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, so adequate protein intake is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Aim to consume 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily from high-quality sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and fats. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed to fuel intense workouts, while healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. Include a balance of carbohydrates and fats in your diet to support your training and recovery needs. Meal timing. Consuming a combination of protein and carbohydrates before and after workouts can optimize muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Aim to eat a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates before and after your workouts. Workout splits. Designing an effective workout split is essential for targeting different muscle groups and maximizing recovery. As a beginner, a simple yet effective workout split to consider is the push-pull legs (PPL) split. Push day focuses on exercises that target pushing movements, such as chest presses, shoulder presses, and triceps extensions. Pull day centers around pulling movements, including exercises like pull-ups, rows, and bicep curls. Leg day targets the lower body with exercises like squats, deadlifts, lunges, and calf raises. Perform each workout split 3 to 4 times per week, with a day of rest or active recovery between sessions. Gradually increase the intensity and volume of your workouts over time to continue stimulating muscle growth. In conclusion, building your first 10 pounds of muscle requires a combination of progressive overload, proper nutrition, and well-structured workout splits. By implementing these principles into your training routine and staying consistent, you can achieve your muscle-building goals and embark on a fulfilling fitness journey. Remember to listen to your body, prioritize recovery, and celebrate your progress along the way. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fitness-related content in the future.